Howdy, this is David Groce, Texas Tax and Lawman. Despite the continuing gridlock and name-calling in Washington, Congress actually managed to pass a law that the President signed. The SECURE Act, which stands for Setting Every Community Up for Retirement Enhancement Act, or SECURE Act, impacts retirement plans, required minimum distributions, and savings for colleges. Let's look at a few of the highlights. First, it's a repeal of the maximum age for IRA contributions. Before 2020, Americans could only make IRA contributions up until age 70 and a half. The rationale was that was your life expectancy. Why would you want to keep saving at that time? After that, the IRS made you take distributions so that they could collect their share of the tax. So they prohibited making an IRA contribution once you hit age 70 and a half. That's not the law anymore. As long as you are working, you can still make an IRA contribution. How about required minimum distributions? This age raised from age 70 and a half to 72. This is the flip side of the same rule. Just like you could not contribute to a retirement plan after age 70 and a half, you also had to start taking out your retirement income by that same age. The SECURE Act bumps the RMD age from 70 and a half to 72. This will let people leave money in their retirement vehicles longer without paying tax. Stretch IRAs. For people who inherited IRAs before 2020, the IRS allowed you to stretch the payout for your entire life. For 2020 and following, only spouses get a tax-free rollover and the ability to stretch the IRA for life. All other beneficiaries can only stretch the IRA over a 10-year period, unless they meet one of the three exceptions. The beneficiary is a child under 18, a chronically ill individual, or is not 10 years younger than the IRA owner. Section 529 was expanded. The 529 plan used to only allow you to pay for college education. The new change allows us to use those dollars for registered apprenticeships, learning a trade, and paying student loans. Also, there's a new change that allows IRA withdrawals for starting a family. Starting in 2020, you can take penalty-free distributions up to $5,000 from your IRA to pay for expenses related to the birth or adoption of a child. Now remember, you still have to pay the tax on the distribution, but not the 10% early withdrawal penalty. As you look at the future and think about your plan for retirement, kids' education, or starting your own family, feel free to give us a call and let's see if one of these new provisions will benefit you. Until next time, adios. Texas Tax and Lawman legal disclaimer. Hey, I'm a lawyer. You know I have to have some lawyer mumbo jumbo. This is a general information video, not client attorney privilege information. The content is information only and is not directed to any specific facts or circumstances and cannot be relied upon as a legal opinion, even though that would be nice and save you a trip to the lawyer. If you have a specific legal question, feel free to contact David Groce directly or seek qualified legal or tax counsel in your state of residence, state of mind, or whatever place you call home.